Hello everyone, my name is Scott Bergenfeld and I'm an instructional technologist with the Office of Online Education at Caldwell University. Today we're going to be going over a workshop of what SafeAssign is and how to use it in your Blackboard course. SafeAssign is a plagiarism prevention tool that's integrated with all courses in Blackboard at Caldwell University. It helps detect unoriginal content in students' papers by identifying areas of overlap between submitted assignments and existing works. So we're going to go directly into our sample Blackboard course and show you how to add it to that course. And we're going to go over another feature called Direct Submit as well. So in your Blackboard course, we have it under sample as an assignment. You could see under submission details, you'll be able to enable SafeAssign to check submissions for plagiarism using SafeAssign. You want to make sure this box is clicked. You can give the student multiple attempts that allows them to check their work, and you could help them properly cite sources if they do that. Just make sure if you do give multiple attempts, you do allow students to view their originality reports for their attempts. As you go down to the bottom, you'll just want to click Submit to save those changes. And then we're going to go into Student Preview to show you how it looks when a student goes to submit that SafeAssign paper. So we're going to go into Assignments, back to our Planet paper, and now a student has the ability to either write the submission directly into Blackboard or browse a local file such as a Word doc or PDF and upload it into Blackboard. Just a note, if they do upload a local file, we do want to keep the file format the same. Blackboard recommends that if the file format does alter between attempts, it could skew the originality report due to different formatting. So for our purposes, we're just going to write something in. We're going to copy and paste something directly off the internet. The box here where it says, I agree to submit my papers to the global reference database, does not have to be clicked. All papers submitted in Blackboard at Caldwell go into the Caldwell University institutional database. The global reference database is the global network. It'll cross-check against papers in different global universities. Not mandatory. All papers, like I said, are added into the institutional database, which checks for plagiarism. When you're done, just click Submit on the bottom right. And the student, you will see here that the report is in progress. If it's a paragraph or two, it usually takes a minute. If it's a 10, 15 page term paper, it could take up to 10, 15 minutes to generate that report. The student will be able to see that report here. We're going to go back into the faculty view. The report is exactly the same in the faculty view, so we'll just see what that looks like. If we go down to our grade center, we could see that there's a submission here ready to be viewed. We could view that attempt. And the SafeAssign originality report, it's 100% match since we took it directly from the internet. You can click the drop down arrow here and then view the originality report right from there. You'll see the areas that were taken directly from the internet, the location where they were taken. You can click the drop down menu here from Wikipedia. The one thing that we do recommend and Blackboard also recommends is that you analyze the SafeAssign score. Some of the results, even though it says a higher match percentage, the source could be properly cited. There could be formatting differences, like we said. So please just review and analyze the report before distinguishing whether it's plagiarized or not. So we're going to go back into our course, and I'm going to show you what it looks like to do a direct submit. So if you scroll down under Course Tools and then click under SafeAssign, you'll be able to click Direct Submit. Right here, you'll click Submit Paper on the right. This will give you the opportunity to upload a document yourself, whether a Word doc, PDF, or one of these supported file formats, or copy and paste something directly from the internet. The one thing I do want to say is if you click here where it says Submit as a draft, that paper will not be added to the institutional database. So what this means is that if you do submit it and you submit it again, or a student submits that paper again, it will not cross-check it against itself. So once it's added to the institutional database, it's in there. And then if it's added again or submitted again, it will cross-check it against itself. So we're going to choose to upload something directly as a Word doc. So if we go into our documents, we'll do our sample upload here, and then we're just going to click Submit. Same as before, if it's a small 1, 2, 3 paragraph assignment, it usually takes less than 30 seconds. If it is a large report, it could take up to 10 minutes to do it. So if we're going to just click refresh and see if it does that, like I said, it could take 30 seconds or a minute. And once the report generates here, you'll be able to view the SafeAssign originality report and see what's directly plagiarized. It should say that it is, yep, 100%, since we took it directly from the internet. It was the same copy and paste from before, which we added. You could view the SafeAssign originality report by clicking this little download button, and it's the exact same report. And as you see, it was already added to the institutional database before when we submitted it, so it's flagged here, and you can see it's 100% match. So that's basically a rundown of SafeAssign and how to use it in your Blackboard course. At the Office of Online Education, we're here to answer any questions you may have regarding this. Please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you.